Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops, and today we're going to do this tutorial on this super amazing song. It's very close to me. I love this song, not the movie though, but the song was beautiful. And Shivi, I'm doing it just for you. So this tutorial is dedicated to all those who are in our Yaadein and beyond. 1, 2, 3, so here we go with this tutorial. I'm going to use a capo here. So the chords we're using here are these, and the strumming pattern is this. It's it's an easy song. You might just look at the chords and be like, oh my god, look at the chords, but it's quite easy. Okay, so we have C, which is the first string of the 3rd fret, C. Then we'll have A minor. A minor is the 4th string of the 2nd fret, that's A minor. Then we'll have some F here. A minor ko mat chodo, apna index finger just put it on the second string of the 1st fret. This becomes F. Then we have D minor. Now don't lose your F, okay, but just put your ring finger right behind your middle finger, which is on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This becomes D minor. And we have a little bit of G here as well. So G goes with your index finger and your middle finger on the 3rd and the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then your index and then your ring finger is on the 2nd string of your 3rd fret. This is G. Okay, now coming to the strumming pattern, it is quite easy. It is normal down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So if I have to play it with some chords together, तो ये ऐसे सुनाई देगा. सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा सा. Okay, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay, now quickly let's start with the sargam part of this song. C से शुरू होगा. C से हम लोग जाएंगे फिर A minor, और A minor से फिर हम बाद में लास्ट में जाएंगे towards F as well. Okay, so let's start with the sargam. सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा सा सा, सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा सा सा, A minor. सा pa ma ga ma ga, sa pa ma ga ma, and then F. Ga ma pa is at F. Okay, so strumming pattern जो है वो A minor और F में हल्का सा बढ़ जाएगा. मतलब जो लास्ट का जो पार्ट है strumming pattern का, which is down up, वो F पे बजेगा. So it will look something like this. सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा सा सा, सा गा रे गा सा रे नी सा सा सा, सा pa ma ga ma ga, sa pa ma ga ma pa ma. All right, this is how it goes. And then at C, then E minor, F, C, sa ga re ga sa re ni sa sa sa. Okay, so in sargam में भी और वो जो आलाप है उसमें भी we are using C, A minor and F. Okay, nothing beyond this. Now let's quickly go to the next part of the song. Now I'm going to do first on normal down strums, and then we will do the strumming pattern together. Okay, so let's start with C. Okay, nagme hai at C, and then change it A minor. Shikve hai F, kisse hai baate C. Okay, continue. बातें at C, भूले, and then जाती है पे हम लोग चले जाएंगे D minor, जाती है, and then we go to G, यादें याद C, आती है. Okay, अब इसको हम लोग strumming pattern में करते हैं, and let's try and do it together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. नगमे हैं, change, शिकवे हैं, change, किससे है बातें, change, है minor, जाती है G, यादें याद सीती है. Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next part. Is C, ये यादें किसी. Then we go to G, दिलो जानम के. Then we go to D minor, चले जाने के बाद आती. Okay, then we go A minor, है, 1 time strum and then C per 2 times down strum. Okay, so it will look and sound something like this. Play along, guys. Okay. बातें भूल जाती हैं जी, यादें याद आती हैं, ये यादें किसी जी जानम के. डी माइनर, चले जाने के बाद आती है यादें. सी, ए माइनर, यादें. now G, हो यादें नगमे है. Okay, now comes the paragraph of the song. वो कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हर पैराग्राफ सेम उसमें जाएगा. ओके, F से शुरू करेंगे. दुनिया में हम सारे. C, F यादों के C है हमारे. Now stay at C, कुछ खुशियाँ थोड़े गम. D minor, G, ये हमसे इनसे. A minor, हम and C. Okay, so let's do it together one more time. दुनिया में I've changed the paragraph. दुनिया से यूं जाना आओ तो ले आना, चाहो तो दे जाना. क्या यादें खट्टी मीठी यादें, ये मीठी मीठी यादें. You can also end yadein at C. I mean, you can either put yadein or yadein. Okay, any which ways it goes fine. I mean, जो आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole tutorial. I'm very sleepy, but I just don't know. I just wanted to do it now. I just wanted to do it now. So okay, thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. Oh mama re. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. I hope that you play this song and yeah, enjoy it. And yeah, they are special and yeah, they're beautiful. So with that, I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas.